Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for tuning into a brand new video. Today we only got two of these $20 215 million cash explosions. I'm super excited. These are one of my favorite tickets. We have tickets 6 and 7. Odds are going to run you 1 in 3.09. Win up to $2.5 million. The way this game is played is there's no bonus up here or nothing like that, but it is a match and win. If you find a money bag, you win $100 instantly, which I've never found. I've won 100 and 200s all the time on this ticket, but I've never found it with a money bag. 20x is 20 times the prize. So, without further ado, let's get to it. You can win up to 25 times. So hopefully we can do that. Find a manual win all for $500. So let's get to it. All right. Oh, we probably should do the, good old lucky. All right. Let's do it. Looking for a 17, a 40 Savion, a 14, 24, a deuce, 18, and a 41. All right, let's get it. 23. Fixin's number did not pay us out. 38, a 5, 13, 40, 47. We got a match. Nice. Keep it coming. A 4. Or actually, a single match is fine. 49, a 40. Now, can we go back to back? That's, oh, and there's a 2. Okay. And a 24. This is looking good. Come on, please. 26. We got 3 matches. 36. And there's a 41. So 4 matches. 8. 15, we just need that 20x to pop up. Blackjack, nope. 33, 4 matches. Oh, they're going to be 500 each. Hopefully not, but that might be it. Hopefully I didn't jinx it. 48. 11. 42, and a 3. We got 4 matches. Please don't be 5. Please be, I don't know, 50. 50 under each. Please. Please. All right, let's find out. We got 0. We do have a 0. What we got? Got $10 under 47. So it'll be a $40 winner. Just got to find the matches again. 42. 10. So that's 20. I'll zoom it out just a hair so y'all can kind of help me too. Okay. So we got 20. 41 right here. There's 30. Now we could have a 20 under. Shoot. Where'd it go? 26, 36, 20, 24 right there. 20? Oh, it is a 20. That's awesome. Okay. $50 winner. So we just profited today. That is beautiful. We need this. So we got a $50 winner on ticket number 6. Does it go back to back? Let's find out. Either way, we're in profit. All right, ticket number 7. Let's do it. A symbol hunt. I will take $50. More than what I was expecting. I expected $5 to be under each of those. Starting to not underestimate Arizona, you know? They're throwing some curves balls now. $29. We had 2 29s. Oh, 39. 19. We got all the 9s. Yep, we do have all the 9s. 36, 17. No dupes. And first row, no symbols. Please, let's go back to back. The 50 is not an outlier, so it's possible. 28. Nope. An 8. Nope. 38. We don't really have much of the 8s, but we're picking them all off here. 40 Savion. Nope. The 13. Nope. 11. Nope. And last one, 43. That seems familiar. No, it's not though, unfortunately. But you know what? Either way, we did profit. That's a nice little win. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And hey, we'll take that. That's better than a kick in the old hind quarters. So $10 profit today. If you guys did enjoy, don't forget to leave a like rating down below. And as always, take care, stay tuned. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.